Hello dear students, today I have brought for you the next new poem for you. The name of the poem is Amanda, has been written by Robin Neal, and this poem deals with a girl. The name of the girl is Amanda, who is of near about 12 to 13 years age, and this poem also tells about the thinking or the imagination of childhood of a upcoming adolescent. Childhood is a time when we indulge in our fantasies and we do as we are pleased. But as soon as we reach adolescence, we are expected to abandon such practices as do we are told. Amanda has reached that midway age between childhood and adulthood. The poet shows this in the a subtle manner through this poem, through the growth of acne on her age. Because she is no longer a child, her mother expected her to fulfill certain responsibilities, such as finishing her homework on time or clearing her room and to put her shoes at correct place. However, Amanda wants to postpone the process of growing up. She withdraws into the childhood world of fantasies and the fairy tales. This poem is about the view of a small girl named Amanda, about who thinks about the liberty in her life. She is instructed not to bite her nails, not to hunch her shoulders. She is instructed to sit straightly and not in a leaning manner. She wants freedom, and she also wishes to draft in the sea like a mermaid. And which type of the sea is that? That is emerald sea, green sea. The speaker, who is her mother, she also asks her if she has done her homework at time or not, cleaned her room or not, and put her shoes at correct place or not. The girl wishes that she should be an orphan roaming freely in the dusty streets. The speaker forbids her to eat chocolates, but the little girl does not even look at the speaker, does not want to listen anymore the speaker, because she does not like this type of restrictions should be put on her, should be imposed on her. She considers herself to be Rapunzel and yearns that some prince will come for her the sake of her liberty. Now I am telling you in Hindi. ये जो टाइम है in as the girl Amanda has been represented the childhood जो समय है, और ख़ास तौर पर adolescence we just have already know that this is the time of, what is the time of adolescence is the time of revolution, a type of revolution. So many changes are there in adolescence, and they don't want any type of restriction should be put on them, should be imposed on them. And this girl also represent, this poem also represent the girl's views. क्या प्रेजेंट करती है कि वो लड़की किसी भी तरह के रेस्ट्रिक्शंस अपने ऊपर नहीं चाहती, वो नहीं चाहती कि उसे कोई रोके टोके, चाहे वो उसके पेरेंट्स ही क्यों ना हो। वो अपनी लाइफ में लिबर्टी चाहती है, वो किसी तरह की इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं चाहती कि उसकी मदर जब उसको बोलती है कि अमांडा अपने नेल्स बाइट मत करो, अपने कांधों को झुका कर मत बैठो, सिट स्ट्रेट। और वो लड़की क्या चाहती है, वो एमराल्ड सी में लाइक अ मरमेड शी वांट्स टू स्विम। और वो क्या चाहती है कि उसकी जो स्पीकर है उसकी मदर, वो कहती है उससे कि क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया अमांडा, तुमने अपना रूम क्लीन कर लिया, अपने शूज़ को सही जगह पर रख दिया नहीं। लेकिन गर्ल क्या चाहती है, वो एक ऑर्फन की तरह गली में घूमना चाहती है विदाउट वियरिंग शूज़, बेयर फुट शी वांट टू मूव इन अ स्ट्रीट। वो एक गली में घूमना चाहती है। और फिर उसकी जो स्पीकर है मदर, वो उसको बोलती है कि चॉकलेट ज़्यादा मत खाओ, तुम अपने एक्ने इसको याद करो, तुम्हारा फेस ख़राब हो जाएगा, ब्यूटी चली जाएगी। तो लड़की इस पर भी अपनी इमेजिनेशन में चली जाती है। वो इस तरह के रेस्ट्रिक्शंस को पसंद नहीं करती और वो ये सोचती है कि वो किसी रैपुंजल की तरह से नहीं है जिसने अपने ब्राइट हेयर को पैलेस से नीचे लटका दिया था, और वो क्या चाहती है कि वो कभी भी ऐसा किसी के लिए नहीं करेगी, और कोई प्रिंस आएगा और उसको लिबर्टी दिलाने के लिए। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो जस्ट रीड द पोएम properly and learn, watch the video to learn more and more. Okay, thank you.